Many people are leaving comment, bro, if we use sound collections from Facebook Studio or Meta Business Suites, then sometimes copyright claim or strikes are coming. Even if we use background music to our Facebook page videos, although we are getting sometimes copyright claims or copyright strikes to our Facebook videos. Is Facebook sound collections are free or not? What is the main fact about using Facebook sound collection? So let me make it clear for you. Let's get started. So guys, we have came to our computer screen, and as you can see, we are in Meta Business Suite, and for the reason we have to go sound collection to make it clear for you about the using Facebook sound collections music to your Facebook videos on background music. Okay, so after coming here, you can see tracks are available to download and use to your Facebook videos background as a background music. But when we get some background music to download as a free use, then we get worried about that and just click to download and we use and just render the video and upload on the Facebook platform. But sometimes some reasons is very difficult to understand if you throw out by running out and anything to do about making some kind of decision which can be a reason to get copyright claims or copyright strike to your videos. Okay, so after coming here, you can see here a information icon is available beside on music title name. Okay, after clicking here, you can see share this title, artist and link with friends, or display this information in projects that you create with this song. That means when you are creating a project by using this background music or using this music, then you have to put this attribution over your video description. Okay, just copy it and use your video description if you want to avoid copyright claim or strike on your Facebook videos. And another thing, you have to remember to use sound collection music only on Facebook, Instagram or other technologies from Meta. That means when you are using this music on a project, you can publish to your Meta related social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other Meta technology related social platforms. Without this, you can't upload your videos including Facebook sound collections music. You may have get some copyright claims or copyright strike about this reason. Okay, for the purpose you can remember this. Remember to use sound collection music only on Facebook, Instagram or other technologies from Meta. Just remember it. Don't use your YouTube video background music as Facebook sound collections music, because Facebook already cleared these things. So I hope you have already understood the things where you have to do and what you have to do on using Facebook sound collection and what is the fact about using Facebook Meta Business Suite sound collection musics to your videos. Just you have to give attribution of the music owner to your video description and your video project. Okay, so this is the thing. Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to our channel to get our next videos, and if you support me, I can give some more informative video for you as well. So bye for now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.